Becoming a millionaire is simpler than it might seem. Take the story of Anna, for example. Anna always had a passion for baking. She started small, baking treats for family and friends, which eventually turned into a home-based business. Her love for creating unique desserts kept her motivated and driven towards her goals. Financial discipline played a crucial role in Anna's success. She meticulously tracked her expenses, ensuring she never overspent. By making wise investments and saving a little every day, she steadily built her wealth. Her prudent financial habits allowed her to expand her business without incurring debt. Another key factor in Anna's journey was her choice of company. She surrounded herself with successful entrepreneurs who shared their insights and experiences. Their mindset, attitude, and habits influenced her positively. By learning from them and applying their strategies, Anna was able to grow her business even further. Anna's story shows that focusing on passion, maintaining financial discipline, and being in the right company can lead to significant success. It's a formula that can work for anyone with determination and a clear vision.